Hi everybody, it's Simon Keeling here, and it is, what day is it? Sunday the 8th of April. It's Easter Sunday, very happy Easter to you. Thanks again for watching. As always, this site's kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen. So if you see an advert that you like, click on it, go through to the advertiser. It's that generates revenue for us, and it also shows the advertiser that you're interested in what we're doing too. So thank you for your continued support. Okay, look, it just looks like being horrendous weather across much of the country through Monday. Low pressure coming in, heavy rain. It's just going to be awful. I think it's one of those days to stay in bed. Oh yes, it's probably the best place to be, but things may well be picking up slightly as we go through the next few weeks, although it does look as if it's going to be remaining quite cool. Let me just show you what's happening. This is the analysis charts from today, and shows fronts going through the country. These are just weak affairs at the moment, but it's out to the west that we've got to look for a little wave that's in the front just now, and this is the chart for 6 o'clock in the morning. This is the problem, because as this feature moves through during the course of the day tomorrow, it's going to bring some pretty hefty spells of rain across southern, western and northern England. I think East Anglia, the southeast, escaping it until late, but there will be heavy showers across Scotland and Northern Ireland too. And then you can see how low pressure dominates. Look, this is midday on Tuesday. Low pressure dominating the situation into the early part of next week and through into Wednesday as well. So I think overall we are looking at a showery and a cool week to come. Now let me put some detail on that for you. This is the ensemble forecast. This is the new Jetstream forecast that I've added on to the charts. If you come down the left hand side here, you'll see EU Jetstream. If you click on that, it'll bring you up the Jetstream chart, and it really is the Jetstream that's driving things at the moment. Here it is just now, look, out in the Atlantic, strengthening up all the time. Low pressure there east of Iceland, high pressure down towards the southwest of Ireland. Watch what happens as we knock on in 12-hour steps. Look, this is Monday, and just look where the jet stream is. It's snaking its way through the British Isles, bringing the unsettled weather with it. There's the area of low pressure associated with it. Now watch what happens as we go into next week. Look, the jet stream slips away down to the south. That puts us on the cold side of the jet. So we're going to be seeing unsettled conditions going into the Mediterranean next week, but the British Isles on this northerly cold side of the jet, bringing in these northerly winds. So temperatures look as if they are going to be suppressed through much of next week. And as I run that sequence through, look, you'll notice how the jet stream just stays to the south of the British Isles right through. So what does that mean in terms of rainfall? Well, this is how the rainfall forecast looks from the ensemble model. This is today. Now as we knock on through the sequence, there's the rain going through tomorrow, look, and low pressure with that rain associated with it. The low then clears towards the east by the time we're into the middle part of next week, and it looks as if that stays with us on this northerly flow. So that means that we'll see showers particularly for northern and eastern parts of the country, but I think to the west actually a much better week. Yes, there'll be some showers inland, but down these western coasts, if you're planning on getting away, and along the southern coast, things look much better in that northerly flow, and that northerly flow stays with us through much of next week. By next weekend, low pressure is trying to get back into the west of the British Isles, look, moving eastwards all the time, taking out breaks of rain with it. The jet stream coming back northwards during the beginning of the week after next, and it looks as if it will be pushing some outbreaks of rain through the British Isles still. But you'll notice how the winds have gone back into a milder westerly direction. That's good news, because it looks as if things will be improving temperature wise, at least into the back end of the month, even though it stays fairly unsettled. So temperatures are going to be recovering somewhat, and I can show you how that looks on the temperature chart when I can find it for you. Where are we? That one, there we go. So this is the ensemble temperature prediction for the coming days. Look, here's this cool weather that we've got at the moment. Rainfall, just look at the rainfall totals here coming in, proper rainfall. Haven't seen that for a time. We need more hosepipe bounds announced, because the moment you announce one, in comes the rain. And then you'll notice how temperatures pick up, look, after the middle part of the month, although not really recovering to dramatic levels. I mean, that's there is only 14 degrees as a maximum, so you know, it's not going to be particularly very warm. It looks like this chilly weather is going to be staying with us. And the CFS as well is starting to show that we do stay rather unsettled through much of the month. If I just show you the rainfall prediction for week 4, which excuse me, takes us into the beginning of May. Look, there's the jet stream again. This is the rainfall across central and southern parts of Europe. You can see how we're still on the cool side of the jet even then, and it really is into the middle of May before southern Europe really starts to pick up, and then the jet stream comes back north. But even then, look, we are staying quite unsettled. So I think some typical British springtime weather around. Yes, it's going to be cool for the next few days, but temperatures will be picking up. But I think you've got to work on things being quite unsettled, wet through Monday, but then going more showery during the course of the coming week. Some of those showers heavy at times, particularly for northern and eastern areas, more western areas tending to stay dry. So that's it for now. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.